So today I'm going to show you how to sell your stock on Charles Schwab. So we're here on the main dashboard of Charles Schwab, and when we scroll down a little bit, we have our individual taxable account that you can see here, and we have a couple different holdings. We have Apple right over here, and we also have Ford Motor. And what we're going to do is actually go ahead and sell the one share that we have of Ford, because that is a full share and a stock that we have, and we want to go ahead and get rid of. So what we're going to do is, if you look over here all the way on the right hand side, there's this little icon over here. So if we actually go ahead and click on here, you're going to see a few options come up. The first one, of course, being trade. So we're going to click on here, and then it's going to take us to a new page right over here where you're going to be able to see a little bit of information, and it already puts in the ticker number for you, which makes this a very nice and easy process. We have two options. We can either click the action up here and go to sell, or we can click on sell all positions if we want to go ahead and sell all of them. So just depending on your wants and needs for this, we're going to go ahead and just click on sell all, and it's going to go ahead and pre-populate these two sections for us, including the amount of shares. And then what we're going to do is go to order type over here, and there's a couple different order types: market order, limit, stop, and stop limit. In today's example, we're just going to go to market order, and this is going to just sell it at the price that it's at, and then we're going to go ahead and have that money deposited back into the regular account to be able to utilize. What we're going to do then is going to hit this review order in green. This doesn't finalize the order just yet. What this does is it brings up all this information as far as estimated amount that we're going to earn, any exchange fees, any commission fees. So keep that in mind if there are commission fees. You might be able to ask them, why they're coming up, because you might not want to have to pay them. So this is looking at $9.09 for us here, and then we're going to place order right over here, which is in the green. So once we go ahead and place that order, that is going to show right up here that order has been received, and that the next available time business for the stock market, they are going to go ahead and have that stock sold, and that money is going to be deposited and available for us into our account to either buy more stocks or withdraw that money from Charles Schwab. And if you're curious on how to withdraw that money from Charles Schwab, I want you to check out my video right over here to learn exactly how to do that. My name is Dennis, and I will see you in that next video.